Students, the topic of this video is breakup of 600 plus course. Now you understand what does 600 mean. 600 is generally going to be a very safe score when you want to get into a government medical college, right? Now you have to understand how many months are remaining in the exam. September, October, November, December. 4 months this year, 4 months next year. So 8 months are remaining. On 3rd May you will have the exam. Now it is extremely important that you make it clear in your mind that how much I need to score in every subject so that I get to 600, right, which is the safe score. So 320 in bio, 115 chemistry and 113 physics. This becomes 600. 320 in bio means you can do 82 right and 98 wrong. Out of 90 you have to get 82 right. In chemistry you have to get 39 right out of 45. In physics you have to get 35 right out of 45. Now why is this important? Why is this important? Because this planning has to start happening in your head right now, especially when you are giving mock tests, right? At the end of the video, there would be a video that would come up in which I have explained in detail how to give mock tests. But one thing which is extremely important is you have to start reaching close to these numbers. You have to start reaching close to these numbers in your mock test. You have to start getting close to 320 in bio, 115 chemistry and 113 physics. Our mock test, next mock test is going to get uploaded on 1st September. Now from this time till end of all the mock tests, you have to start getting close to these numbers. This is my second point, right? I've also explained to you earlier that the sequence would be bio, organic plus inorganic, physical, chemistry, and then physics, right? I've done one small mistake in my earlier video. I'll explain it to you again. What is this? 80 minutes and these are 120 questions, right? This is 90, 30, 120 questions. Because these do not require calculation, you can finish it in 80 minutes, right? Then this one, 85 minutes, right? This include OMR filling, right? This test we are going to provide you PDF as well as OMR as well, right? 85 minutes including OMR filling, right? Plus 15 minutes for questions you left. Extremely important, students. In these mock tests, you have to start practicing leaving questions, which means if you are not able to understand a question within 15 seconds, you have to leave, mark a circle on the question that is written, mark a circle, move forward. Last 15 minutes are for these circle questions. If you start following what I am telling you right now, you will not face the problem of not doing well enough in physics. Majority of the time you are not doing well in physics because you did not leave enough time for it. And to get more time for physics and physical chemistry where calculation is there, you have to finish this part including OMR filling in 80 minutes. Extremely important, students. Without this time, you don't get this time. And if you don't leave questions, if you don't understand within 15 seconds, then this thing becomes important. If you don't leave it, you will not be able to finish the paper. So remember this, extremely important. I have said, if you are going to mark a question, circle. I am not going to attempt it right now, attempt it later. Even if you are not able to attempt it, remember 24 questions you can get wrong and you will still score 600. I will show you the calculation again, right? Total questions 180. I got 156 right. So and I got how much? 24 wrong, right? So for 24 wrong minus 24, right? For 156 right, how much will you get? 624. So total 600, right? So have the confidence that if you do one question wrong, if you're not able to understand one question and you are moving to the next question, your examination is not getting destroyed. It is okay. You can get 24 questions wrong and still get 600. So students, this was very, very important. Your mindset now should get focused towards at least 600, and for this should be clear that you have to score this much. What this also means, students, is if you're not going to score at least 320 in bio, a lot of you will be spending a lot of time on physics. A lot of you would be spending a lot of time on physical chemistry. That is only 60 questions. The remaining 120 questions, this part is extremely important, specifically bio. If you are going to ignore bio, and if you get, instead of 320, 250 marks in bio, a lot of people get 250 marks in bio, your NEET paper is over. You will not get 600. If you get 250 marks in bio, your NEET paper is over. If you want to get into a government medical college, this is the score without which you will not reach 600. So hopefully students, this would have become clear to you. Students are joining our online video course, studying properly, and this is something which is extremely important. When they are studying, when we tell them do videos, take notes, read NCERT, right? After that, 100 questions in physics, chemistry, 200 questions in bio. All of this effort has to now get into achieving these numbers. These numbers should be very clear in mind. Hopefully you found this video useful. Tell me in the comments if this thing was useful for you. If you have any other question for me on which you would want me to record a video, let me know, students. All right.